everyone's had a good weekend. We are back on the job. Show you what we're going to do today. So first job is to clear this soil. Some of it's gone already. We've got to clear all this rocks here and stuff, and do a bit more leveling here as well. Do a bit more leveling on that side. Also, we have got some new work now, extra work. We were gonna replace this part of the fence and repair the damaged sections, but now we're gonna replace the whole fence from here all the way down there. So it's gonna be new fencing with concrete posts and concrete gravel boards. So we need to get this fence down today. We need to get these concrete posts out, strip it all out, and then we'll order the fence, and we should get the fence tomorrow and start fitting the fence tomorrow as well. So from here all the way down, brand new fence. This side is the owner's responsibility. The other side is the other person's responsibility, which they're not really doing much about it, so I'm not sure. We might maybe temporarily be able to use that piece and stick it over here maybe, just to kind of at least cover that up for them, and maybe block that up with something, I don't know, until these people decide they want to sort their fence out. So that is the job for today. So we're going to start the clearing up, and we'll see you at the end of it. We've taken our old fence out. As you can see, is the holes of the old fence. Big hole here. This one's out all the way down here. So these are our new fence panels, or posts, sorry, concrete posts. And these are gravel boards, which are also concrete. And here is our concrete for our fence posts. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a post here. We'll have one somewhere around here, and another one here, another one here, another one here, one here, and one in the corner there. So that's it for today. End of our day, 5 o'clock. Good progress today. We managed to get the fence done in the day. Happy with it. And also did a little bit of patching on the other side. I'll show you what we've done. So just temporarily, we reused some of the old fencing from the other side. We'll replace that little panel tomorrow. But we just used a bit there, fixed it to there, used the other old bit there, fixed it to there. So at least it's closed in until the neighbor decides, you know, they need to do this fence, but at least it's closed in. So this is the side, obviously, see the difference on our side. This is our side here. So we've got fence posts from here all the way up. We've got concrete gravel boards. See, we've backfilled it. It slightly steps up because the ground does get higher and higher, so we have to step it up here. And we've come back to where the original post ended, which is right here in the ground. So they're all concreted down, all set already, and that's it. So now we've got a border that we can work to on the edges here. As I said, there's going to be artificial grass in the end, up to here, all the way around here, up to here. This edge here be artificial grass, this whole area here, and then we're going to have patio laid here. So we've got a little bit more digging to do tomorrow, take it down a little bit more, and then we can start getting the hardcore in here, compact it down, sand, lay the stones and all that. So that is it for today. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. We'll see you tomorrow.